valor of our 20 brave hearts who died in a violent face-off with China on Monday night in the Galwan Valley in Ladakh. Massive crowds gathered to pay tribute to Colonel B. Santosh Babu on his last journey at his hometown Suryapet in Telangana. They chanted slogans hailing the late colonel for his supreme sacrifice. Colonel B. Santosh Babu was the commanding officer of the 16th Bihar Regiment. A ceremonial wreath-laying was held and many paid their last respects to this brave heart. Last rites of martyred army Jawan Sunil Kumar was also performed today in his hometown of Bihar. 5 of the 20 soldiers who died in a face-off with China in Galwan are from Bihar. Mortal remains of martyr Jai Kishore Singh is also expected to reach his hometown in Bihar by this evening. The death of 20 soldiers was the first since 1975 when 4 Assam Rifles troops were killed by Chinese soldiers in Arunachal Pradesh. Prime Minister Modi has now warned that the sacrifice of our Jawans will not go in vain and India is capable of giving a befitting response.
देश के लिए बेटा को हम पोसा, देश के लिए दान दे दिया भारत में और उद्देश्य हमारा यही था कि देश में जाकर सेवा करेगा। हाँ, भारत सेना के बदला लेना ही है, वो छोड़ना थोड़े है।
इससे तो बलिदान हुआ है तो सबसे पहले तो हम लोग का कमर ही टूट गया बोलने से। हम लोग का एक ही सहारा था जिसके वजह से हम लोग आज खड़ा हो पा रहे हैं, जिसके वजह से आज हम लोग बड़े बड़े सपने देखे लगे थे कि हम लोग का भी एक बड़ा घर होगा, हम लोग का भी जमीन जायदाद होगा, हम लोग भी और की तरह हम लोग अच्छे से जिएंगे और की तरह हम लोग भी अपना सीना तान के घूमेंगे कहीं भी अपना। लेकिन जितना हम लोग सोचे थे, जितना हम लोग भविष्यवाणी किए थे, एक ही झटके में हम लोग का पूरा सपना चकनाचूर हो गया है अभी फिलहाल।
The final journey of Colonel Santosh Babu has started, and you can see entire Suryapet town. They have come on the street chanting Bharat Mata Ki Jai slogan of Santosh Babu Amar Rahe. This is the feeling, this is the clear message to not only coming from Suryapet but from entire nation. Entire nation is chanting Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Clearly, it shows the clear feeling of the country that they'll not let the sacrifice go in vain. They'll remember this supreme sacrifice. They remember the brave soldiers who have sacrificed their life while fighting and while protecting the border of India. With camera person Damodar, Ashish in Suryapet for India Today.
It's an endless wait for the family of Sepoy Rajesh Orang, who has made the supreme sacrifice in Ladakh, fighting for the country against China. As you can see at his house here, the ancestral house in the village of Belghoria in Birbhum district, quite a remote area actually. His neighbors, his well-wishers have all gathered. It's an anxious wait for the mortal remains of Sepoy Orang to reach the house so that they can all pay their tributes, their respect. They're extremely proud of their son from the village. This is of course the house. The parents here in this room completely distraught. As you can see, the father there not in a state to speak. Rajesh of course leaves behind 2 grieving parents out here. At the same time, 2 sisters. And we really don't want to infringe into their privacy. I did try and speak to the father just a short while back. He was of course a daily wage laborer and he's raised his son with a lot of difficulty and with a lot of aspiration. Rajesh had in fact joined the forces, the army, and today the family waits for his mortal remains. Here in another room we can see floral tributes being paid by the kith and kin, family members to this photograph of Rajesh, as you can see, and there is this anxious wait as to when his mortal remains will reach.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.